Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a button and an event in Constant Contact. So the event is created in Constant Contact, and the button is how the website, you can click from the button to the event page to register for an event. So first you log into Constant Contact and your dashboard shows up like this. Under recent campaigns, you should see, if they look like this, it's an event. There's a little calendar there. And if you don't see one, you'll have to just go to view all campaigns, because this is like a running total of all the events we start and also of all the all the emails we send out. So there may not be an event in the first running total here, so you might have to click on view all campaigns. But here I see two events. I see meditation for beginners, and I see August and July. So to create a new event, typically what I do is I'll just copy an old one, because a lot of the settings will be the same. That way you don't have to redo that work. So I'll just click on More next to the event, and I'll click on Copy. And I'll just type in the name and the date. I'll just put placeholder and August 10th. Copy event. So then we get the next page, and here's where you want to put the title of your event. So the file name is there, but the title we want to change to reflect what the event is. But usually I'll just copy this, keep it the same for both the file name and the title. Down here, I usually take this information right from the website or right from the Google Calendar. You don't get that many characters to add here, so I keep it really basic. Only a few sentences usually is all it will take. So I add that in. You have to change that. And of course, you can change the date and time. The start time and end time, those are important to change as well to reflect the time of whatever event we're doing. So yeah, again, we're changing this top part. We're changing date and time, and then the physical location, most of the time it's going to be at the center, so that stuff can all stay the same. You can scroll way down. Christine can be the contact person. So everything down here we keep the same. We don't really change at all. And then click continue. Okay. On this page is where we adjust the fees. So down here, if it's only one fee for all, you just click on the one flat fee. But usually there's a fee for members, there's a fee for just general, sometimes there's a fee for a partial event. So all that can be added here. You can add more fields and different fees in here. So in this one I have the $20 for the regular fee, and then I have members are free, but we still want them to register, so we can get a sense of head count, so we'll put a 0 in there. You could type in a new event fee, like level, OK, BC, benefactors. Let's say they're being charged 10 for some reason. Then you have all the fees, and you can adjust the order here. So once you're done doing your fees, this stuff all stays the same, doesn't change. You click on Finish. So now it's been created. You can preview it, which is always a good idea. You can see what it looks like. Kind of nice. And make sure all your fields kind of make sense. Usually it's good to pause here and just see, is anything confusing for people? Like, this is definitely confusing right now. I want to go back and edit that. So that gives you a preview. So after you've previewed the event, right now it shows that it's closed, but we can go to the bottom. We can click make the event live. And once it's live, now people can register for it. So what we want to do now is we want to somehow get people from the website to this event. So I would go here, Control-C, the event URL. Now on a web page, I'd find whatever page the event was attached to. Let's say I'm just going to go to the Sunday class for now, even though it's not in that event. So if I go to the web page, so what I want to do now is create a button on this page to link to that event. Even though it's not a real event, I'll delete it later. So what I do for that is just kind of go into the content, make a little space, and click on Add Media. And these buttons are created in Illustrator, so they'll be provided to whoever's making the page. So these are ones I created for the meditation for beginners because there's two different ones people can register from on the same page. So I created two different buttons. But there's a general button that we usually use, which is here, Register Now. So just click on that, insert that into the post. So there it is. So now I click on it to highlight it, and then I click on the link over here, and then paste. That was the link I pasted from Constant Contact, and this little arrow embeds the link onto that image. Okay. So now if I update it, and I go to the website, and I click on that day, the button should appear. It's there. If I click on that button now, it's going to take me to the Constant Contact registration page for that event, which I'll go ahead and delete now. It's not a real event. So that's basically how you create a Constant Contact event and how you can link that event to the web page using a button.